Hi everyone, my name is Ella and welcome to Succulent House. Today you're in for a treat because I'm bringing you to Farmer's Hand Garden located in Jumarap, Banga Aklan. To all of you who's checking up on me and wondering why I haven't uploaded a video yet, life has just been very busy amidst this pandemic. And to everyone who is still subscribed and is still checking the videos on my channel, thank you so much. To those who have messaged us and asked if we're okay, we're all safe and healthy, and I hope that you and your family are doing the same. Hope you enjoyed today's garden tour, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!